My dog is Mexican. Mexican dogs can jump like this. You can jump like this. Do a damn backflip. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Here we go. Yeah! Yeah! Mexican, Mexican, Mexican. Come on, Mexican. Mexican dogs can jump like this. Mexican, Mexican. I'm gonna throw this Kool-Aid burst at you. Come on, girl. Come on. What you working with? Come on, put your paws up. Put your damn paws up. Oh. Now dance with me. Oh. You've taken this too far. Yeah, use some tongue action, baby. Come on, girl, get on. Show me your titties. Girl, show me them titties. Come on, girl. Now do backflip. Woohoo! Yeah! Girl, girl, girl. Come on. Come on, girl. Girl, come on. What are you working with? I have a fucking finger now. You little shit. Yeah, you get under that bed. Yeah. You hiding under there. They're watching you. They're watching you. They're watching you. She's a lesbian. A dirty one. A nigger. A Hispanic. A watermelon. A ninja Jew, oh my gosh, nah. Leave a comment, bitch. Or you will get attacked.